Alright guys, we're out here at Justinhurst again. Out here with my pops again. Look, that right there, what's that? Oh no, it's a little beach bird. Either way, we're out here at Justinhurst. Didn't get a very good pick, but we did get a spot, so we'll see how this spot produces. So stay tuned and wish us luck. Alright guys, it's shooting time. Some shots going off already. Huh? He's good, I think. Let me go grab. He's dead. He'll die. Let me go grab him real quick. Man, where'd I go out? Right here? There we go, little spoonie. Huh? Yep. Alright. Some geese flying right there. Behind you, over your right shoulder. You hear them?
Hear them, but I don't see it.
Let them land, let them land. Oh, yeah, shoot it. Got one or two.
No, I don't know. Might have tipped that one over there.
It's still going.
He's coming. He's coming back.
Alright, hold on. See, there's two right there in the water. We'll get them. Where'd they go? They turned, they left, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll be right back. These are teal, I'm sure. Drake, that's a nice Drake. A nice Drake green wing. Oh man. Another nice Drake green wing. Oh, guys, got two Drake green wings here. Huh? Alright, those ain't bird ducks. Alright, let's get back in here and set up some more. Alright guys, we ain't seen much in the past hour, so we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I already collected all the decoys, getting the stuff. This is all birds we got. We got 3 Drake teal and 1 Drake spoonie. Yeah. But we're gonna get up out of here. It's a slow day, so either way, I appreciate everybody watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all.